Samsung phone. Now if you want to remove the SIM, you have to use a pin. You can see a pin like this. You can see a pin, something like a pin like this. You can use any pin, but so far it has a tiny mouth like this, so you can just use it. And for you to remove the plate, you can see here, you can see the SIM plate here. So you can see the pin plate, so you can see the tiny hole. So now once you remove the SIM plate, you can see it now. So for us to remove it, you just plug in the you plug in the you plug in it in and put in the plate. So make sure you put it gently and you remove it. So you plug it inside and remove it. So you can see it now. So the pin plate has been already removed. You can see it here. And you just remove the plate. Remove the plate easily. So and you put your SIM. Like this one is already have SIM inside it. So there is a SIM inside it here already. You can see the SIM. So if you want to remove it, you now put your SIM. And so you can see the position. So please don't put a wrong position in. Don't put a wrong position and put it back inside again. Just put it inside again and close it back. So just get a small plane like this one and put it back. It's all good. Yeah, that's just the whole process of it.